Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to buy Solana meme coins using the Solflare Wallet in 2025 step by step. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need some Solana in your wallet. You can either buy Solana from an exchange or receive it from another wallet. To receive it, just open your Solflare Wallet, tap on receive and you'll see your unique Solana wallet address and a QR code. Copy that address or scan the QR code to send Solana into your wallet from any exchange or other crypto wallet. Once your wallet is funded with Solana, you are ready to trade. Tap on the trade options at the top of the wallet interface. From here, you can swap Solana intro in any meme coin available on the Solflare swap feature. For example, if you want to buy a trading or trending meme coin like WIF or WIF, just select it from the list. Enter the amount of Solana you want to swap, confirm the details and tap swap. And that's it, your meme coins will show up in your wallet shortly. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more quick crypto guides. Thanks for watching.